Hello everyone, and welcome back to DenCel Vienna. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic, financial literacy. Personal finance can feel overwhelming, but fear not. By mastering the 4 core rules of financial literacy, you can unlock a world of financial confidence and take control of your future. Let's get started. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is like a compass guiding us through the vast landscape of money matters. It equips us with the essential skills and knowledge necessary to navigate the financial world with confidence and clarity. First, let's distinguish between financial freedom, financial independence, and financial confidence. While they may sound similar, each carries its own significance in the journey towards financial empowerment. Financial freedom and independence are often desired states, where you're not reliant on external sources for money. However, financial confidence is the ability to generate money through skills and knowledge. Contrary to popular belief, money isn't scarce. It's abundant for those equipped with the right tools and know-how. Think of it as a game with rules. Once you understand and play by them, financial success becomes attainable. Please subscribe and visit my channel, as there are many valuable videos about investing in cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, or bonds. There are also about making money, being financially free, and managing your money. Here's the harsh reality. Despite the abundance of resources and information, the lack of financial education remains a widespread issue. Conventional wisdom often perpetuates scarcity mindsets and negative attitudes towards debt, hindering our financial progress. Breaking free from these limiting beliefs requires a shift in mindset. It's about investing in ourselves, understanding different investment avenues, leveraging debt wisely, and cultivating a rich mindset. The 4 rules. Here are the 4 rules of being financially literate that can elevate your financial game and lead you towards prosperity. Like this video if you enjoyed it. If not, please let us know in a comment below. Rule number 1: master the basics. Building a strong foundation in personal finance is crucial. This includes understanding income versus expenses, creating a budget, building a savings habit, and managing debt. Track your income and expenses for a month to gain insights into your spending habits. Create a budget to allocate your income towards needs and wants. Build a savings habit for emergencies and future goals. Manage your debt effectively using strategies like the debt avalanche or debt snowball methods. There's more where that came from. Explore similar content on my channel. Rule number 2: embrace risk management. Financial decisions often involve risk, so it's essential to assess your risk tolerance and diversify your investments. Diversify your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to mitigate risk. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and protect yourself with adequate insurance. What other financial tips would you like to see? Leave a comment below. Rule number 3: control your debt. Not all debt is created equal. Distinguish between good debt which can lead to future growth, and bad debt, which accumulates interest and provides no long-term benefit. Use effective debt repayment strategies and consider consolidating high-interest debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Rule number 4. Plan for the future. Think long-term and invest in your future. Learn about different retirement vehicles, like IRAs and 401k. Define your financial goals and review your financial plan regularly, adjusting as needed based on life changes. Bonus rule: embrace continuous learning. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so staying informed is crucial. Here are some tips to keep your financial knowledge up to date. Follow reputable sources. Follow reputable financial blogs and websites to stay informed about the latest trends and tips in personal finance. These sources can provide valuable insights and updates on financial markets, investment strategies, and money management techniques. Subscribe to podcasts and YouTube channels. Subscribe to podcasts and YouTube channels focused on personal finance. Listening to experts discuss various financial topics can deepen your understanding and provide practical advice you can apply to your own financial situation. Read books and articles. Read books and articles written by financial experts. These resources can offer in-depth knowledge on specific areas of finance, from investing and retirement planning to budgeting and debt management. Attend workshops and webinars. Attend financial literacy workshops or webinars. These events provide opportunities to learn from experts, ask questions, and connect with others who are also looking to improve their financial literacy. Empowering yourself through action. Financial literacy isn't just about theoretical knowledge. It's about putting that knowledge into action. Here are some practical steps you can take right now. Track your income and expenses. Track your income and expenses for a month. Analyze your spending patterns and identify areas to cut back. This exercise will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions. Create a budget. Create a budget and stick to it. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you manage your money effectively. Adjust it as needed to reflect changes in your income or expenses. Develop a debt repayment plan. Develop a plan to pay off debt. Choose a repayment strategy that motivates you. Whether it's the debt avalanche or debt snowball method, set specific goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Start saving for your goals. Start saving for your short-term and long-term goals. Even small contributions can make a difference over time. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving a consistent habit. Review your financial plan regularly. Review your financial plan regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, such as a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child, can impact your financial situation. Regular reviews ensure that your plan remains aligned with your goals. Building a supportive community. Financial literacy doesn't have to be a solo journey. Here are ways to connect with others and build a supportive community. Join online forums or communities. Join online forums or communities focused on personal finance. These platforms provide opportunities to share experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Talk to friends and family. Talk to friends and family about their financial goals and strategies. Sharing experiences and tips can provide valuable insights and support. Work with a financial advisor. Consider working with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific financial situation and goals. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with positive and knowledgeable people. Being part of a supportive community can keep you motivated and on track with your financial journey. Financial literacy for all. Financial literacy empowers individuals and families to make informed financial decisions, build a secure future, and contribute positively to the economy, regardless of your income level or background. Financial literacy is a valuable tool that everyone can benefit from. Embrace the journey. Financial literacy is an ongoing process. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But by staying committed and applying these 4 core rules, you can build a strong foundation for a secure financial future. Remember, you are not alone. There are countless resources available online and in your community to help you on your financial journey. From budgeting apps and online forums to free financial counseling services, there's a wealth of knowledge and support at your fingertips. The more you learn and apply that knowledge, the more empowered you become to manage your finances effectively. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with your biggest financial literacy challenge, and let's build a supportive community together. See you next time.